So I am feeling spicy, so I am going to make mac and cheese and brownies for dinner. I am 27 years old, so I'm allowed to do that. I'm allowed to do whatever I want, and I'm in the middle of nowhere. No one can judge me. No one can tell me what to do, so I'm living life to the fullest right now, and I'm just going to make mac and cheese and brownies for dinner. That's just how it's going to be. That's what we're going to do, and let's get right to it, because I'm pretty hungry. First, we need to prepare the brownies. I don't have a mixing bowl, so today what we're going to use is a pot. I have Ghirardelli, I think that's how you pronounce it. Some dark chocolate brownies. This is about to be so amazing, I cannot wait. So we've got to preheat the oven to 325. Place water, oil, and egg in a medium bowl, stir into easy. That's totally easy, bro. We got this, dude. Pilot light on. Crap. Why are you not cooperating right now? There we go. Alright, so place water, oil, and egg in a medium bowl and stir until fully mixed. 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. Do not spill it. I'm spilling it. 1/2 cup of vegetable, that's so much vegetable oil. You never realize how like bad things are for you until you start making them. Wow, that's so much oil. I better not die. And then 1 egg. Also, if you're the type of person that says egg instead of egg, we cannot be friends. It's egg. Call me a baker. What am I doing? Take it out of the box. Welcome to Baking with the Fine Print. Today, we're making brownies in the oven and we're making some mac and cheese. It's gonna be wonderful. Why did I change accents and why am I flamboyant now? Who knows? Find out next time on Baking with the Crap. I'm making a mess. Oh girl, it's getting everywhere. Oh girl, no. It smells so good. Holy crap, I love brownies. We are going to lightly grease this bad boy. Make sure these brownies don't stick. I cannot believe I am baking brownies in the middle of the freaking woods. Like, how cool is that? Alright, so I'm gonna bake brownies, I'm gonna make mac and cheese, and then I'm gonna play World of Warcraft. In the middle of the woods, in the middle of nowhere. Life just, it literally can't get any better than this. Alright, so now, we just pour it in there. Just like that. Make it nice and pretty, spread it out evenly, and there you have it. It's ready for the oven. We're just gonna wait a little longer for that to heat up. Okay, so now that the brownies are in the oven, we gotta wait 45 minutes. My watch is dead, of course. So at 8:45 or 8:50, we pull them out. But in the meantime, we're making some mac and cheese. And since I am 27 years old, a grown male adult, living his life to the fullest, I don't give a dang. So tonight I am preparing the most pristine mac and cheese that I could find, and that is Annie's mac and cheese. Specifically the shells and real aged cheddar, because I'm a little bougie, okay? So right now we are boiling some water for the good old macaroni boys. And in the meantime, I guess I'll wash those dishes like a responsible human. Ew, it's so gooey. Oh, looks like our water's boiling. All right, now that we are boiling, we can throw the shells in. Dude, I'm telling you right now, this is like grade A, top-notch, high-quality cooking. And now we wait for these guys to boil, and then we pop cheese in. It's good to go. Oh, yikes. It's about to boil over. Daggone. That's why this takes so much skill. You gotta be weary of all the potential things that can go wrong, like your pasta boiling over. Very crucial mistake that could cause wildfires. Believe it or not, 7,000 people have died this month, specifically from pasta water boiling over. Swear. Alright, so now we gotta taste the pasta. Oh, that's ready. That is good to go. Ooh, girl! That mac and cheese is sounding good. You hear that? Time to serve it up, though. Screw it. I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Why would I try to portion it out? I mean, this is all that I'm eating tonight. Again, I am an adult, so I make my own decisions and I live my life how I want to. And tonight, this is how I'm living it. Dinner is served. Now it's time to play some video games. There's not a cloud in the sky. Ooh, the stars are coming out. That's beautiful. So my game of choice tonight is World of Warcraft. I don't know, man. Sometimes I go through phases where I hate World of Warcraft, and then other times I'm just so addicted to it. And right now, I am very addicted to World of Warcraft. Do the happy dance. Man, I love being an adult. Honestly, life cannot get better than this, my friend. Mac and cheese, ice cold tea, brownies are in the oven, I'm playing World of Warcraft, I'm in the middle of the woods, in the middle of nowhere. Life is good, my friend. How's your food, Millie? Is your food good? Nice, bro, nice. We got 10 more minutes until the brownies are done. Me and Millie are enjoying our dinner. Unfortunately, Millie doesn't get dessert. I need to get her a puppy dessert. That would be cool. Life is good. Life is great. I've got mac and cheese on my plate. Bump, 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 bump. Honestly, that was a fire line. That was pretty fire. I should rap. Life is good. Life is great. I got mac and cheese on my plate. Something like that. Brownies are ready. All right, moment of truth. Pulling out the brownies. Oh, baby. Ooh, girl, look at those brownies, baby. Can't wait to cut into that. But first, we need to be patient. Delayed gratification. We need to let them cool. Because that's what you're supposed to do. Screw it. We're cutting into it. I don't care. I'm ready for brownies. My body's ready for brownies. My soul is ready for brownies. So guess what? We're gonna get some brownies. They are not done. Okay, maybe I got a little excited, but they're not quite done yet. Ooh, girl. You know what? I don't care. I don't care. I'm not gonna wait any longer. I want a brownie. I want a brownie right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, they're done. They're just gooey. They're done though. Gentle. Be very delicate because they're not quite done yet. Get some milk. He needs some milk. Figure I go all out, and instead of eating brownies with my hand, I'm gonna eat with a fork today. So let's do a little taste test. Bone apple tea. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I'm eating brownies right now in the middle of the woods. I made these in the middle of the woods in my oven. Okay, they're done. They're just gooey. I've said that like 30 times, but I don't even care. I'm just enjoying life right now. I'm loving life. I freaking made mac and cheese and brownies in the middle of the woods in the middle of nowhere in my van. Okay. Let's sit down. Let's play some games. Ooh, girl, I got brownies. Ooh, girl, yes I do. Ooh, girl, they're delicious. Ooh, girl. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that song wasn't nearly as good as the mac and cheese song. It's okay. It's not about the song, it's about the brownie, okay? It's not about the journey, it's the adventure. No, it's not about the adventure, it's about the journey. What the freak? No. It's not about the what the freak is the quote? It's not about the journey, it's the destination! Does that even apply to what I was just talking about? Ooh, let's turn off the... Oh, now it's mood lighting. Now we got some mood lighting up in a joint. Alright guys, I think that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys for joining me on my YOLO adventure, making brownies and mac and cheese in my van. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this inspires you to make mac and cheese and brownies in your van. If not, then if this video doesn't convince you to make mac and cheese and brownies in your van, I am thoroughly confused because I ate like a king today, and I feel very triumphant. I'm feeling good. Feeling really, really good. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time when I bake an entire cow in the oven.